Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Joanna Burton here, guys, and I'm back to the kitchen again, and I'm going to cook something easy tonight. It's actually ready to cook. Very easy meal preparation, but I'm just gonna add a twist on it. So I have this one. It's Alfredo. It's fettuccine in a creamy Parmesan and Romano cheese flavored sauce. I'm just trying to pronounce it correctly. But fettuccine, guys, fettuccine. So it's like you put emphasis on the double T, and then the double C, it's like fettuccine. So fettuccine in a creamy Parmesan and Romano cheese flavored sauce. And the good thing about this, I picked this from the dollar store, so it's like $1. Okay, $1, and this is actually ready to cook. So all you have to do is boil in a medium sauce pan 1 1/2 cups of water, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of margarine. So margarine or butter, that is optional, and then you just basically stir in contents of the package. Continue boiling for 7 minutes or until pasta is tender, and you just have to stir it occasionally. And then you have to let it stand for at least 2 minutes, and then that's it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna add ground turkey with this dish. And so I'm gonna cook my turkey first, and then I'm gonna add this one. So, and then I will add some Italian herbs too, just to kind of like create or create or level this up. So I'm preparing this for my husband, and I told him that I'm gonna make something different. He wanted burgers, but I said I'll just do something else for something new. But so that's what I'm gonna do. So okay guys, so let's do it. Okay guys, I'm going to bring my water and milk to a boil. So I have 1 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of milk. And then I will add just I think 1 tablespoon of butter. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put my butter. And then I'm just gonna let it melt. Okay guys, I'm going to saute my garlic. And then I will add the white onions. Okay. Then I'm gonna add my ground turkey. Okay guys, so I'm adding my ground turkey. And I'm just gonna add salt and pepper for this one. Okay guys, so I'm just cooking my turkey right now. And then I'm just gonna add salt and pepper with this one. So I don't want to add anything because this one alone is very rich in flavor already. So I just want to be able to keep the flavor of this one. So it's just salt and pepper, onions and garlic, and that's it. Okay guys, so I'm adding the salt. And then the peppercorn. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna continue cooking this. Okay guys, my turkey meat is cooked and I'm gonna add this to my boiling water and milk. Okay guys, so I'm going to add my cooked meat in the mixture of water and milk, which is boiling right now, so I'm gonna add it. So I told my husband guys, he's at work and he's excited about what I'm doing, so I hope he likes this. Okay, so I'm just gonna like, you know, continue cooking this one, and then I'm going to add my last ingredients, which are this ready-made or prepared mixture of fettuccine in a creamy parmesan and romano cheese flavored sauce. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just cover this and let it simmer. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover this guys and let it simmer before I'm going to add this mixture. I'm so excited about this dish. Alright. Okay, so I want to greet my nephew. Happy birthday, Vander. I love you so much. And you're the sweetest, like Althea. You guys are the sweetest. Okay? Most especially Vander, when he was just, I think, 5 years old. Would always like spend time with me whenever I go to vacation. And last time also when we went there, oh my goodness, he's always around. So I treasure those moments, Vander. I treasure those moments. And don't ever change or else you're gonna be in trouble with me. Just kidding. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm going to add this now, and then you just have to stir this occasionally. Ooh, look at those cheese. But I'm gonna add okay, let me show this to you guys. Hi everyone, so look at our meal, the Alfredo. So it looks creamy now. So just about 5 more minutes and it should be done, guys. Okay guys, so our turkey Alfredo is done. And I just top it with Italian herbs or Italian seasoning, I would say. So combination of oregano, thyme, and so much more. So here it is, guys, and I'm gonna have this for my dinner. Hi everyone, my dinner is done, guys, and I just top it with some Italian seasoning, so a combination of different herbs, so like thyme, oregano, and so much more. So anyway, so I'm gonna have my dinner and I'm gonna taste this. So let's eat, guys. So my brother said, guys, that my brother Kim said that I should have done an exercise YouTube channel because my goal is to lose weight. So not a food channel. So maybe I will incorporate exercise on my next video, I hope. Okay guys, so let's have dinner. It's really good. Wow. Super good, guys. How you don't need rice with this, definitely. Because this is already heavy. Yeah. Super good. And you know, one serving of this is, I think, enough, because it's heavy because of the sauce. It's so cheesy, and the pasta. Super good. Fettuccine Alfredo. Is that it? Forgot, yes, the whole name of this dish. So it's an easy meal preparation. You can do from scratch with this one too, but you know, you need to have all the ingredients. I like how creamy it is, and if you want to make it more creamy, like you can melt some cheese with this dish. And it's good when you eat this, when it's kind of like warm. It doesn't taste good if you eat this cold. I mean, for me, I like it warm or kind of hot. So not my brother, but my husband, he wanted me to make a turkey burger, but I don't know if I still have the energy because I still have to clean up the kitchen and the dishes that I'm using. So and I like it because it's not salty, because I didn't really add that much salt. I'm kind of sleepy already, guys. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Okay, guys, that's my dinner for tonight, and it's another adventure in the kitchen. And I hope my husband liked this. I think he would, or he will. Okay, guys. So remember, guys, just be positive, guys, and laban lang, guys. and always look on the brighter side despite of the challenges that we have right now. All right.